how close this helicopter is flying to the back of this plane. And honestly, it was closer. Like, this is it backing up. I feel like they're filming.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I feel like I'm pulled up to Disney. We're at a seafood festival in Clearwater on John's Pass. Oh, fresh golf courses. Oh yeah. Seafood festival. My favorite food. I'm excited. They got drinks over there if y'all want one. Yo, amazing. Guys, look at this. This is Florida right now. There's ice. There's ice on my grass. There's ice. Holy smokes. Look at this. Ice everywhere. Ice on the windshields. So we got hit with like a freeze warning. This is like the coldest it's been in Florida in years. Let me see what the temperature is. Yeah, we looking at 32 degrees, guys. 32 degrees in Tampa. Some parts of Florida are supposed to be in the 20s right now.
There's ice on my dad's garden zone phone.
Okay. Right there. Yeah, you're doing a lot. This is the brush right here.
Yeah, unbox it for us.
Yeah. He got him restocked, so I ordered a pair before they sold out.
Yeah.
I'm assuming he's probably getting like 1,000 at a time. And
Open it up.
He got to do it on
That's an
camera.
unboxing
He got to do
video.
it on camera.
I know.
That's an unboxing video.
Come on,
I know.
Nate.
There'll be more people in here. Y'all want me to open it up?
Selfish.
Me too,
I'll
boo.
open it up.
Open it.
So we're gonna do the unboxing here on the Academy. All right, on the Academy. Since this is recording.
That's where you see it first. That's where you see it first on the Academy.
Yeah, when I open these things up, they're pretty cool inside. They're pretty.
None of us like them.
Bring him in the
Because
shop.
just like them, but they got more power because they're like a hybrid of rotary and pivot. All right, guys. So here it is. Oh, hey, the packaging is nice.
Oh, that's
That
dope.
box is pretty nice
Nice.
for a brush,
Absolutely.
right?
I
And
never
he-
seen a
he
brush.
got-
like
he-
that.
I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go.
Oh wow.
You guys see it? He got like a message on there. Y'all want me to read it?
Yeah.
All right. It says, don't make fun of my Mayweather. Okay, I can read decent. I paid enough attention in school for this. 360Jeezy is known for his 360 crown and his energetic personality. January 12, 2013 is when he uploaded his first YouTube video titled How to Cut Your 360 Waves. Through his hard work, knowledge, and consistency, he has become well known in the hair industry. I think that was a little humble. Now with over 3.2 million subscribers and counting, he should put, and over 500 million views on knowledge, works hard and grows in his experiences. He's also able to help others in many different ways beyond just waves. Motivating and inspiring others of all nationalities and age groups, it's become more than just a brand he's built. It's more so about affecting lives in a positive way. It's safe to say without God, none of this would have been possible. He can do all things through Christ who strengthens him. To each and everyone that purchases this product, understand that it takes hard work, dedication, motivation, and consistency to achieve whatever it is that you want. Nothing happens overnight, but when you work hard, you get great results. 360Jeezy. Uncle Kev, we made it. 360Jeezy.com. That's dope. It would have been cool if he put that as like a little letter, inside. So you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It felt like a letter to you.
Yeah.
I think more explaining the actual product on the back and then a nice little letter inside would have been fire. All right, the box is nice. The packaging is nice. You guys can see.
Oh, that's wow. Yeah, that's a premium.
And then what he's known for saying, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go 360 Jeezy. And yo, this is nice. This is nice. There it goes. That is hard work, dedication, motivation. You know, this is a certificate of authenticity. Okay, that's very, very nice.
That's fire.
And then here's the brush.
Clean.
Very nice, very nice, very well done. Very well done. Yo, the brush is nice, man. Like, I know he's gotten a little bit of hate or whatever, but I don't know what people wanted better than this, because this is nice, man. I'm not a waiver, obviously, but feels really good quality. It's a big brush, and I like how when they use it on the crown to get
it closes it up.
Yo, the detail on this it's nice.
What kind of hate he been getting?
I don't know. He just you know how, bro. It's always.
Yeah,
So,
Is that too expensive?
Yeah, most of what I saw was the price, because it's like $70, isn't it?
Yeah,
I think it's like no, it was 70 with shipping. Shipping was like extra $10. I think it was like I think it was like $55, but then you got tax and all and shipping. Okay. Yeah, like $70. But $55 for a brush made by 360 Jeezy, I don't see the problem.
Yeah.
I'm Gucci with that. Like, honestly,
he could have gone. He could have gone hard.
He could have did 100.
It could have been
He
100.
easily did 100. Yeah, he could have easily did 100.
You want Jordans or you want some regular shoes? What you want?
This is dope. Not just that, but you getting more than just a brush value. This you got 10 years of free 360 Jeezy content, learning how to cut hair, all that stuff, learning how to wave. I mean, you're getting education, you're getting support, and you're getting a dope brush. Yeah. I think it's nice. The packaging is dope. Shit, this packaging alone probably like $5.
Yeah, that's clean. I think he definitely did his thing.
Fazio, tell us about that sweatshirt, man. I seen it on your vlog a little bit.
Oh man. Shout out to YouTube. Now we so
is it comfy?
Man, so what I was talking about?
Yo, Chris, have you cut with the fast feeds?
I've just like very light, like on myself. I trimmed like some hairs down, my mustache down, but not like a fade, like a haircut like Fonza and AJ were doing. I think once I opened them, I gained a little bit more respect for them. I wouldn't be able to do this lever, bro. I can't do it.
Yeah.
Do you see how much it like? That's a lot, bro.
Beam said he wants it to open up more.
Beam, you crazy as hell.
Open more. I said the master should have been that open. That being open more than that is crazy.
The master should have opened more than
the master should have opened just like that. That's what we know the masters for, having the greatest open.
You got one of these?
Oh yeah, I got 3 of them Johns.
Yeah. Fort Worth Beauty Supply sent me a bunch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good.
I love
one of the shots mine.
I got you. I'll bring you this one.
I like it to fumigate the shot when the clients walk in and they smell like that. You know, it's just like a quick zzz.
It's a good point. It's a good point.
No, I just put that in one of my videos and I was like, look, like, do you need this thing? No. The clients think it's cool as hell? Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah. It looked good at the end. It looked good at the end of the video too. Like at the end of all of the video.
Honestly, it feels good too. It's a lot nicer than just spraying your customer.
Yeah.
But you got to put it close for it to be effective. Because if it's just a miss, people are gonna be like, bro, you didn't even spray nothing on me. I just sprayed the next strip for like here. I don't want to spray their mouth and stuff, but
yeah.
It makes it in the air, man. You just breathe it straight in.
Yeah, bro, you breathe it in. It's bro, it has some of the clients in the shop. Like,
coughing.
I shining like that.
I got a video like that. The dude at the end, like, damn, hold on.
Yeah. Speaking of videos, this is like the first time that YouTube's gonna see Fonz and Beam in over a month. Where y'all at? You want to let the people know where y'all at?
What?
Been 2 months? God,
I would say it been 3 for me.
Listen. I get a comment on every video talking about.
I tell them the same thing. Like,
where's Beam at? Yo, go tell Beam to drop a video. I said he gonna be back. He gonna be back.
Yeah. Take him
Beam
on.
I know Fonz is focused. You guys are, getting your mind right.
Yeah,
come back
bro.
crazy.
Truly.
I know you got a shitload of content for sure. I know Beam got some content too.
And I was, because Beam just asked me, yo, man, you gonna drop that Luke video? I'm like, bro, honestly, I'm just waiting for Luke to keep doing more stuff with his hair, and all that's just gonna be a straight hit, all in one in that one. Video,
it's gonna be a process. It's gonna be a
Look at Luke.
Definition of live your life, boo.
Luke pulls off the flat top though. I ain't gonna lie. He pull it off.